Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining coins. Today I will show you how to mine free Megaland coin and also Memecoin for airdrops from Telegram coin. It's simple. Like you see, this is my trust wallet. Like we see, I have 33 millions of Megaland coin. It will be listed soon. This is the price in the coin market. Like you see, I have 13,000 as initial price. Like you see, this is my balance. It will be launched soon. Get free Megalands as possible as soon. For the first, you must add this coin to your trust wallet. All you need is to click here to choose your network, BNB Smart Chain. Like you see, you click here, you choose token, you choose BNB Smart Chain, you pass the contract address, and that's all. You click import all. Like you see, it's imported. Our link could be in the first comment of the video. To add the coin, we click here, we click in plus. Also we change network to BNB Smart Chain, we pass our contract address, we click import, and that's all. We get our coin added to our trust wallet. We go to our Telegram. This is the Telegram, or link will be in the first comment of the video. This is our Telegram. You just join a channel, and that's all. You have your Megaland airdrop for free. You claim your coins and withrow to your wallet. That's all. This is for our first coin. Like you see, also there is other coin. It's named Memecoin. The link will be in the first comment of the video of the two airdrops of Megalands airdrops and of Memecoin. For Memecoin, you add your Ethereum ERC20. You choose your USDT address. I will show you now. We choose our airdrop. This is our Memecoin airdrop. You will join these simple tasks, simple groups. That's all, and that's all. You complete these tasks in a few seconds. You get your airdrop. Like you see, you will get a huge number of 5,000 Memecoin. It's equal to $100. That's very simple. To add your wallet, it's simple. We go to our wallet. We go to our wallet. We search here for USDT. You can use any address. USDT Ethereum. You choose USDT Ethereum ERC20. You click in receive. You copy your address. That's all. You put in your Telegram airdrop. That's all. This is two airdrops, or link will be in the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.